Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 1099 rollovers using Guideline, detailed guide step by step clearly.
To begin, log into your Guideline account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see various options for managing your retirement plan. Locate the Account Settings section in the main menu.
Click on Account Settings to access a new set of options. Find the 1099 rollover option within the account settings. Select Enable 1099 rollover to start the process. You will be prompted to review the terms and conditions regarding 1099 rollovers. Read through the details carefully to understand your eligibility and the rollover process. Once you've reviewed the information, check the box confirming that you agree to the terms. After agreeing, click the Submit button to enable the 1099 rollover feature. Next, navigate back to your dashboard to locate the Rollover Management section. Click on Rollover Management to initiate your rollover process. Here, you can enter details about your existing retirement account. Provide the necessary information for the account you are transferring from. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Follow any additional prompts to complete the rollover request. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification regarding your rollover. Monitor your account for updates on the rollover status. If you have any questions, utilize the support resources available in your Guideline account. This process enables you to manage your retirement savings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.